This short comes to us from the tail end of the Bronze Age. This is Hardboiled Animal Comics #1 from Brouhaha Studios, where you have all these lovely critters by a whole plethora of artists. This was the summer of 1982. You have the Blue Beagle and Rocket Roach and Pugsley the Junk Food Rabbit, Death Wilder, the Last Rabbit on Earth, Roger Buck, Stark Ravers, Vigilante Mouse, and Pat the Rat, who is, of course, I actually know, and Terry Turtle. But you definitely have some spiffy art. Like Tim Fuller here is very, reminds me of Bode, Mark, not Vaughn. But this is a really cool old indie.